One simple exercise that you can do to help you with your shoulder pain and your headaches is simply a shrug. So standing up against a wall or a door, just to help you to get some feeling and awareness of where your shoulder blades are sitting in space. You want to stand up against the wall and press the arms, the back of your arms with your palms facing forward into the wall and try and hold it there, and your head too, with your chin down. So in this position, slide your shoulder blades up to the back of your head, to the back of your ears, hold for 10 seconds, and try and keep them even. If you've got a mirror or something, a reflection that you can see yourself, you can get some feedback there whether your shoulders are even, and then relax them down completely. So it's a squeeze up and back, keeping your arms pressed into the wall, keeping your chin tucked in, so you're working on your neck posture muscles as well, and then holding for 10 seconds before you release. At the same time, you want to make sure that your lower back and your abs are held in so that you're not arching your back as you're trying to isolate the shoulder blades. So you want to aim for 10 lots of 10 of these, and I'm guaranteeing you by the end time you get to the 10th rep, it's going to feel like, oh, thank God that's done. So you can also add some weights, even like a 3 to 5 kilo weight or a barbell if you like, without much weight, or if you want to train them even harder, you can add some weights on it, and that will also help to build up the muscle strength and endurance in these muscles that can get really tight from being worked all the time or being stuck in a sort of the similar static posture like when you're at a desk all day long or when you're sitting on the computer.